Daniel Radcliffe has some bad news for Harry Potter fans. The actor shot to fame playing J.K. Rowling's boy wizard when he was just 11 years old. But 8 films later, with the last one, Deathly Hallows Part 2 coming out in 2011, the 32-year-old says he has no plans to reprise his role as Harry. He also has no interest in playing the character in the film version of West End show Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. In an interview with the New York Times, Daniel said he knows it isn't the answer fans will want to hear, but he's more interested in taking on weird new film roles than going back in time. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. He explained, "This isn't the answer that anybody's going to want, but I think I was so able to go back and enjoy it, the recent Harry Potter reunion, because it's not a part of my day-to-day life anymore. I'm getting to a point where I feel like I made it out of Potter okay, and I'm really happy with where I am now. Going back would be such a massive change to my life." The Hollywood star, who is set to play Weird Al Yankovic in an upcoming biopic, does have a glimmer of hopes for Harry Potter fans though. "I'm never going to say never," he teased. The Star Wars guys had like 30-40 years before they went back. "For me, it's only been 10. It's not something I'm really interested in doing right now." So that means if Daniel were to ever play Harry Potter again, we'd have to wait until at least 2041. Daniel recently reunited with his former co-stars Emma Watson, who played Hermione Granger, and Ron Weasley actor Rupert Grint for a one-off 20th anniversary of the Harry Potter franchise. Return to Hogwarts was filmed in the Warner Brothers studio in Leavesden, Hertfordshire, where most of the movies were made. During the show, Daniel confessed he had a crush on one of his Harry Potter co-stars. The actor revealed he fancied the pets of Helena Bonham Carter, who played Bellatrix Lestrange. At 55 years old, she is more than 20 years older than Daniel, something he wishes he could change. In a sweet gesture, Daniel even wrote a letter to Helena that said, "Dear HBC, it was a pleasure being your co-star and co-star in the fact I always ended up holding your coffee. I do love you and I wish I'd been born 10 years earlier so I might have been in with a chance." It is not known what Helena's reply was, but the pair remain good friends to this day. Daniel has a longtime partner, U.S. actress Erin Dark, who has been dating for around a decade. While Helena is dating Norwegian writer and art historian Rydag Holmboe, who at 32 is 21 years her junior. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.